Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating water and getting access. Turn off the mains or the cistern supply valve now so you can work safely. Once done, remove the flush plate by prying or unhooking its top clips. You'll see the actuator frame. Make sure to lay a towel and place a bucket beneath to catch residual water. Keep an adjustable wrench and flashlight within reach because internal nuts and small fasteners hide behind the panel and you'll need steady light. You now access the concealed cistern interior. First, undo the retaining bolts or press-release clips that secure the access frame. Once released, lower or hinge the panel carefully. Support it so hoses don't strain. Inspect the fill valve, flush valve, and connection points to identify the faulty component. If removing the float or valve, loosen lock nuts rather than forcing plastic parts. This prevents cracking. Take photos with your phone so you install the replacement part and secure fittings. Tighten by hand first, then a small additional turn with a wrench to avoid over-tightening. Once fitted, slowly reopen the supply valve and observe the cistern fill. Run multiple flush cycles to confirm proper operation, and that seals hold. If leaks appear, close the valve and red-tighten the suspect connection, using a new washer if needed. When all is dry and functioning, refit the access panel and snap the flush plate back into place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.